Hello everyone. So, as a part of our ITC 4373 Advanced ERP Systems group assignment, we've been assigned to design and implement a custom Odoo module to manage a vehicle service station. Next slide. So, these are our group members. I'm Dulaksha Lahiruni, Savindu Yasara, Vanindu Vishwamal, Chamodi Dishankar, and Rubini Amalka are the rest of the group members. In the upcoming presentation, they'll present about their respective subtopics as well. Next slide. So, when focusing about our organization is a vehicle service station which will provide a comprehensive maintenance and repair services for the customer vehicles. It will cater to vehicles offering services such as inspections, routine maintenance, part replacements, and repairs. Our system will mainly focus on vehicle registration, technician assignment, service workflow, and delivery tracking. With an increasing customer base and growing demand, the service station aims to streamline its operations through a digital solution while enabling effective vehicle registration and the other functions as well. To address these needs, a custom Odoo module is being developed to modernize and automate its day-to-day operations. Now, my group member will present about their respective subtopic. Thank you.
I'm Rovini Jayakodi. So as the installation steps of the project, first we have to create the Odoo service module in our custom add-on folder. Let's see how we can create that module in our project code. So this is our uh, project module that we are created in the custom add-on, which is called service station. With the relevant sub-modules are also there. And after creating this module, we have to restart our Odoo server. Then, as the third step, we have to go to the Odoo platform and update our app list. Then you can see the service station module that we are created already. So this is our vehicle service station module that we are created with all the sub modules. Then I will hand over this to Chamadita to continue.
Thank you, Rohini. I'm Chamodita. So in our vehicle service station Udo project, so we add the three main submodules: service vehicles, service technician, and service request. So first look at the first sub module in service vehicle. So in service vehicle submodule, allow the user to register and manage their service vehicle details. So when it's come to our developing project in Python, so we create a service vehicle .py file under module folder. So we coding the functions to create the new service vehicle in and create service vehicle XML file in view folder. So and when it's come to our Odoo vehicle service module, they show the tab in service vehicle. So it's click it. It show the interface in service vehicle module. So then can register the new service vehicle. So and click new tab and fill the details in new service vehicle. So I add the owner name and the module and module and the registration number and save. So it show the we add the service vehicle. So that's the main functions of the service vehicle submodule. So I hand over the presentation to explain next module in technicians.
Thank you, Chamudita. So in next module, submodule called service technician module, in here the core functions like assigning technicians can be do in this module. So next first we go to the programming part. So in here there is the service technician Python file. In here all mentioned about the technician fields, and according to that we created a service technician view XML file. In here we can see all the fields related to the technician submodule, and according to that we can go to our Odoo platform. In here we can see there is a technician bar. In that technician bar there is number of technicians names and availability columns, and we can create a new technician with the new section, and this section we can create a name for the technician and enter in the name for the technician. And we can create a skill for that technician already have. Then if it is available, we can tick or untick the green button. So now we have to save that technician. Then we can see in the technician tree form the already added technician name in that technician bar. So it is the function we added for as the technician file. So for the next submodule to present, I hand over the session to Vanidu.
So thank you very much, Savindu. So two of my colleagues clearly explained the two modules. So basically this service station ERP system is consist of three modules, as my friends mentioned earlier: service vehicle, service technicians, and service request. So when it comes to service request module, so it helps to create service request inside the system. So in the PyCharm, so we have developed a Python file for vehicle request. So from this file, you can clearly understand what are the codes that we have created to implement this Python file. So when it comes to vehicle request XML file, so here we have clearly mentioned all the fields, buttons, headers, and all the required data for creating this vehicle request view. So when it comes to Odoo platform, so here you can clearly see that the three main modules in Odoo: vehicle, service request, and technician. So I'll click on service request. So to create a new service request, we can click on new. So here you can see the view. So let's start with the vehicle. So I choose service vehicle number 2 as our vehicle. Then here we can say all the existing customers inside the our Odoo platform. So I'll choose the second customer as our customer. So you can see that the relevant email of the customer has been generated automatically. So when it comes to request date, we can put any date. So I'll put today as the request date. So when it comes to problem of the vehicle, I put it as an engine fault. So from here we can assign the technician. So one of my colleagues previously created the technician for that. So I'll assign Smith as the technician. So in the image folder, I can clearly add the image for the required vehicle. So I put the estimated cost as 60,000 and the delivery date 1 week after today's date. So I think we have clearly filled all the required data for the vehicle service request form. So we can now start the request. So from here, you can clearly understand that the received status has changed into in progress status. So from here, we can send the confirmation to the customer. So from here, it clearly says that the confirmation mail has been received to the customer successfully. So after receiving this confirmation mail, we can enter the final cost. So let's assume that it will cost 70,000 to complete the whole process of the vehicle service. So I'll put 70,000 here, then I put done. So now you can see that the in progress state has been changed successfully into completed status. So then I can send it to deliver. So now you can say that it is delivered successfully. So this is the basic way of creating service request. So when it comes to feature overview, so using this vehicle service station platform, we can clearly track the service status and role based access. So when it comes to track service status, as I mentioned earlier, so we can clearly track the service of our vehicles. It can be a received state, in progress state, completed state, or a delivered state. So when it comes to role based access, so we can assign access. I mean, we can give full access to some parties. We can give partially access to some parties. So when it comes to actions, we can. So here you can see that. So here we have given full access to our vehicle managers. So vehicle manager has read access, write access, create access, and delete access. But technician has only the read access. So from here we can control our role based access. We have created our role based access. So to continue the presentation from here, I'll invite one of my colleagues. So thank you.
Okay, as the next topic, we have user interface and views. We use different user interface and views in our projects, such as forms, tree views, and Kanban board by status and filters, and also the smart buttons. Then I'll show how we use those things in our Odoo platform. So here you can see the Kanban board by status, and next you can see the list view or the tree view. And after that, I'll show you the form view of our one module of our Odoo module, and also then we can use different filters. So these are different filters. Here you can see different filters. You can customize the filters as you want. And also we use different smart buttons such as new. In here you can see the new button. We use that. Yeah, we use new button, new. And for the next topic, I'll hand over this to Savindu.
Okay, now already we mentioned all the modules we created. As the additional development, we created the dashboards for this module as the bonus features. So in our Python project, we can see so here we can see a model submodule section, there is a submodule called dashboard Python file. In here, we already mentioned all the dashboard codes related to our module, and in here there is a dashboard view file. In here we already mentioned the view services and some status of the services of our vehicle module, and some graphs and other details of the summary of the all the things of our module mentioned in this dashboard. So there is some Odoo module error in this dashboard feature. Therefore, we unable to load that feature in the Odoo section. But for the further development process, we are doing further development for that dashboard section until this is the our dashboard section development stage. And here there is a README file in the Python, and there is a README file which we mention all the details of our project, all the group members details and module descriptions and relevant data we coded in our Python project for our development process of the future. So I am hand over this session to Dulaksha to conclude this presentation.
Thank you, Savitu. So I think our group members explained all those modules very well. And so in conclusion, I'd like to say that we have developed the service station Odoo module with core features such as vehicle registration, service request management, and technician assignment. And also we have included role-based access control and user-friendly wheels for effective management. As future improvements, we intend to integrate a customer portal and real-time notifications, as well as to expand to include billing and inventory management. So I think we have designed this Odoo module to meet the practical needs of a modern vehicle service station by streamlining the service management processes, as well as this project demonstrates the potential of using ERP customization in solving real-world business challenges. So, in conclusion, I would like to also thank our lecturers in helping us to complete this assignment, as well as I would like to thank my other group members as well. So, thank you.